To Brazil now, which is fast emerging as a new epicenter of the coronavirus pandemic. The country's controversial president, Jair Bolsonaro, is under fire for his handling of the outbreak, and he is also facing a political crisis. Brazil now has the third highest number of infections in the world after the US and Russia. It has more than 330,000 confirmed cases. And the official death toll is just over 21,000, although a lack of testing means the true number could be much higher. Greg Milam reports now on the state of the Covid-19 outbreak in Brazil.
This was already Brazil's biggest cemetery. The freshly dug graves in the city of Sao Paulo tell the story of a country struggling with an outbreak which is now accelerating. Staff wear protective clothing as the funerals keep on coming. This is rapidly becoming the global epicenter of the coronavirus. The intensive care unit at this hospital is at full capacity. It only opened earlier this month to take the pressure off other hospitals overwhelmed by the outbreak. There is a shortage of doctors, says the local health director, who then offered this assessment.
This disease is not kidding around. Whoever thinks it's a joke is going to lose their life. People have to take precautions.
And this is the man in charge, Brazil's President Jair Bolsonaro, already widely criticized for his response to the outbreak and now in a deepening political crisis, after this video emerged of a foul-mouthed cabinet meeting. Part of an investigation into claims he tried to meddle in police affairs to protect family and friends.
I am throwing out the water, and I will continue to throw out water from all ministers in this regard. I have the power, and I will interfere in all ministries without exception.
The video has astonished the country. It's his response to coronavirus, though, that's seen his poll numbers plunge. While he's been losing health ministers, opposing social distancing and supporting untested drugs, communities have taken it on themselves to act. In Rio, officials are alerting the public to the risk. But it's all left a feeling of resentment.
Our governors are not interested in the people, just with themselves. And that's how we are today. Unemployed people, people at home, repression.
Not far away, ambulances arrive at a field hospital in one of Rio's more upmarket neighborhoods. The patchwork of responses across Brazil, say public health experts, is nowhere near enough. The likelihood is that the situation is much worse than the numbers suggest because Brazil has been slow to increase testing. And as some parts of the world begin to ease their quarantine, the worst may be yet to come in a country already in despair. Greg Milam, Sky News.